How to take payments in Litify, a step-by-step guide for law firms. If your firm runs on Litify, you already have everything you need to manage matters, track time, and serve clients. But when it comes to collecting money, most firms are still jumping outside the platform. It doesn't have to work that way. In this video, we'll walk you through exactly how to take payments directly inside Litify step by step. Let's dive in. Step number 1, set up a merchant account. Before you can process payments anywhere, you'll need a payment processor. This is the service that securely handles the movement of money between your client's bank and your firm's account. Providers like Stripe, Authorize.net, Card Connect, and others all work with the process in this video, so if you already have an account with one of them, you're ahead of the game. If not, signing up is straightforward with any of the supported providers. Step 2, install Kulturra and connect your processor. Next, you'll need to install Kulturra inside your Litify environment and connect it to your payment processor. Kulturra is what bridges the gap between Litify and your gateway. It's that layer that lets you take payments, generate invoices, and track billing without ever leaving the platform. Once Kulturra is installed, you'll connect your processor by entering your API credentials in the Payment Center settings. From that point on, Litify becomes your hub. Step 3, add the payment component to your Litify records. With Kulturra installed, you can add a payment component directly to your Litify records on a contact, a matter, or any object where you need to collect payment. Once it's there, you're ready to start accepting payments from right inside the platform. Step 4, take a payment. Here's where it comes together. Let's say a new client is signing on and you need to collect a retainer before work begins. Navigate to their contact or matter record in Litify, go to the payment component, and enter their payment details, credit card or ACH. Review the amount, then hit submit. Kulturra processes the transaction in real time. If the payment is declined, you'll see an explanation right away. If it goes through, you get an instant confirmation and your client can receive an email receipt automatically. The payment is recorded and attached to the correct record in Litify. No duplicate entry, no separate system to update. Clean, automatic, and tied to the right matter from the start. Step 5, save payment methods for future use. For ongoing client relationships like retainer arrangements, installment plans, or repeat billing, Kulturra lets you save a client's payment method securely for future use. This works through tokenization. Instead of storing an actual card number, Kulturra stores a secure token that can be used for future transactions. So the next time you need to bill that client, you can simply select their saved payment method rather than asking them to provide their details again. It's faster for your team and a smoother experience for your clients. Step 6, send a payment link instead. Sometimes you're not taking payment face-to-face, or you'd rather let the client pay on their own time. Kulturra lets you generate a secure payment link directly from a Litify record and send it to your client by email. They click the link, enter their payment details, and complete the transaction from any device. Once they pay, the record in Litify updates automatically. No phone calls, no manual follow-up, no chasing. That's how to take payments inside Litify. 6 steps, and every one of them happens without leaving the platform your firm already runs on. Retainers, one-time invoices, installment plans, Kulturra handles it all natively inside Litify so your billing data stays connected to your matter data, your team stays in one place, and getting paid gets a whole lot simpler. Ready to get started? Check out Kulturra through the links in the description and bring payments home to Litify today.